Hi guys, this is Miss O'Connor. I'm creating this video as just a quick tutorial to help you get around the Google Classroom a little bit more easily and to answer a few questions I've gotten about how to access the readings and the handouts that Mr. O'Neill and I are going to be using. So here it is. The first thing you do when you log onto the Classroom, and you can see that the Classroom is here on my screen, is that it's going to open up on the stream page. And the thing about the stream is it's going to post whatever I worked on last as the first thing up top. It's not going to post the thing that's the most current or the most important thing for you to work on. So what I recommend is whenever you come over here, you go over to the Classwork tab. And the Classwork tab sorts things by topic, and you can see all the different topics over here. And there's just 3 that are really important for you. The discussion and reflection questions, where I can get feedback directly from you guys. The current work tab, which is showing what is due this week and what you need to work on first if you haven't done it. And the future work for next week. And these are things that are due in the next week and are posted to allow you a chance to get ahead or to do them early if you're busy or whatever it is next week. I've got a poll right now in the discussion or reflection questions asking about office hours. Please go take a look at it and vote so I can see what hours work the best for people. And you've got 2 assignments in the current work tab, the Tech Primer 2 and the Netiquette activity. If you saw in the stream, I made an announcement with this activity. I've only got 18 people who have turned it in, but on the raw data, which shows me like how many data points I've gotten, I've got 26 entries. So I'm not sure who did them, but I know that there are 8 people right now who did the work and did not hit turn in, and therefore I can't give them a grade for it. So please, if you did the Netiquette activity already, go and make sure that you turned it in. It'll tell you if you did. And then under future work. So this is the assignment that I'm really concerned about right now, the to be or not to be reading. If you open it up, it's got a couple different things linked. It has the PDF handout. So this is for people who can't access Word or Docs, and it allows you to open it up and look at the questions, and you can type the questions, the answers to the questions up on like your phone's notes app or in some other format, and then take a picture or take a file of that and then upload that file, which works if you can't access the Word ones. But if you can access the Word ones, you would click on that and you would open it. And you can see here that this is like a PDF. It will not let you write on it. So what I recommend that you do, what you need to do, is come over here to these 3 dots, the top right-hand corner, and you click on them, and it says open in new window, and you open it in the new window. See, I have a couple copies over here already. And you have a few options. So if you can open it with the Google Docs, and it will create its own Google Docs page for you, and you can write on that, and then you need to save it to your drive and re-upload it or reattach it again. Or, and this is what if your computer can do this, this is what I recommend that you do, is you click the download button, and that's the download button right there. When you click on that, it actually gives you your very own Word copy of the assignment. You have to hit enable editing. But this means that like you don't need the internet to work on this assignment, and you can save a copy for yourself that you can access even without internet. It exists in the Word. So then you would hit enable editing, and it would let you delete these lines, write on it as much as you want. You can do cool things like add in comments off to the side and ask questions that way. And those are all things that I can see once you re-upload the assignment to me. If you have any questions about how this is supposed to work, or if this process is not working for you, please let me know. I've got my office hours poll up, but you can still email me. You can text me on the Remind app. You can reach out through Instagram, or you can comment directly on the assignment, which some people are already doing. It's amazing to see how many of you are like getting proactive about your work and turning stuff in ahead of time. It makes me so proud of you guys. And I hope you keep up this amazing work ethic as we continue with our distance learning. Oh, I have one more announcement. For this to be or not to be reading, this first handout is sort of like an independent work, like just to let you get through it on your own. But we are going to be, I say we, Mr. O'Neill and I are going to be making another video like this where I read along and I'm going to annotate the text directly onto a Word document with you guys. And it's going to have embedded CFUs in the Google Doc associated with it. And it's going to let you like get definitions for vocabulary words, identify literary devices, and just make sure that we're getting like hashtags that show us our understanding as we go through it. And that'll be up in a day or two. Looking forward to doing it with you guys. Thanks. Bye.